Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you some ways to fix WhatsApp not working problem. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first you should check your internet connection. One of the first solution you can think of while resolving this issue with WhatsApp is checking and recovering your internet connection. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi connected network. And then choose forget this network and then tap on forget again to confirm, and after some time connect your network by entering its password and you are done. And the next step is update your WhatsApp. An outdated application can be one of the basic reasons for WhatsApp not working on your device. Such applications do not operate properly, requiring an update to align with the main server. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. If it shows update option, then tap on update and update the latest version of WhatsApp. If it shows open option, it means your WhatsApp is already up to date and you are done. And the next step is check WhatsApp permission settings. You might have put your phone under restrictions preventing it from operating correctly. To figure out what's wrong with the WhatsApp, I would be prefer if you check the permission settings of your smartphone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down to the app section. Next, choose WhatsApp from here or you can search it. In this window, you will find multiple permissions listed that can be turned on according to your requirements and you are done. And the next step is reinstall your WhatsApp. If you cannot figure out the solution to WhatsApp can't connect to your smartphone device, you can consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. For this, you just need to press and hold onto the app and then choose remove app and then choose delete app and then tap delete again to confirm. After this, go to App Store, search for WhatsApp and download it again and you are done. And the next step is enable background data. For this, go to settings, scroll down to the bottom and choose apps and then search for WhatsApp. Next, tap on background tab refresh toggle button to enable it and you are done. And the next step is check your iPhone storage. When your device storage is almost full or nearing the 100% mark, thus it would be great if you could check the device storage and take the necessary precaution. For this, go to settings and choose general option and choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. If the storage is full, you should delete photos, videos and delete unnecessary apps from your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to fix WhatsApp not making call, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.